Are you looking for a unique take on pumpkin pie? You have to try this chocolate pumpkin pie with a ginger snap crust. It's perfect for the holidays or any time that you just want some pie. You'll need a few standard ingredients that you'll have in almost any pumpkin pie, with the addition of a ginger snap crust and chocolate. You'll also have some spices, brown sugar to sweeten things up, a few eggs, pumpkin puree, and evaporated milk. We're starting out by melting our chocolate. You can do this in the microwave or in a double boiler. Once the chocolate is fully melted, it's time to add the pumpkin puree to help cool down the chocolate so it doesn't heat the other ingredients. I like to use a semi-sweet chocolate because it adds the perfect chocolate flavor without being too sweet. Next, we're going to dump all the other ingredients into the same bowl so it's super easy to clean up, starting first with our spices. We'll be using ground cinnamon, fine sea salt, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg. Next, add in your brown sugar to sweeten everything up, along with 2 eggs. And finally, we are finishing off with evaporated milk. This is going to help thin out the entire filling. Give everything a nice mix until it's all mixed together and really well incorporated. It'll start to turn this nice pretty orange color. Then you want to grab your ginger snap crust. You can use a homemade version of this recipe, which I'll link in the description below, or you can pick up one at the store. Go ahead and add your filling to the dish, and from here we're going to bake it in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 60 to 70 minutes until the edges are set and the pie no longer looks liquidy. Finally, we're finishing off this pie with some chocolate shavings to make it look very elegant, and you can also add some whipped cream if you'd like. I hope you enjoy baking up this pie, and don't forget to subscribe for more baking videos.